everyone! Here it's a bonus lecture. On that bonus lecture, I'm just going to present myself, to introduce myself, yeah, so that you can introduce yourself when you meet with someone or, when you have to present yourself at the phone also, okay? So, first my age and then I will say everything about me. And I'm sure you will understand. Bonjour, j'ai 39 ans. Je suis français, mais je vis au Pérou depuis 3 ans. Je suis professeur et je suis aussi coach. Je parle français, anglais, allemand et espagnol. J'aime voyager, mais je déteste le froid. Alors, je voyage que dans les pays chauds. Je suis marié et j'ai 2 magnifiques enfants qui s'appellent Colline et Loïc. And now, what I'm going to tell you is my size, how much I weigh, the color of my hair and the color of my eyes. Why do that? Why do so? Because if you want to meet with someone but you are at the phone, you've never seen that person has never seen you, so you want to describe yourself so to be able to be recognized, okay? Or maybe if you go to a doctor, then he will need to know how much you weigh and so on. Yeah, to describe yourself, it's important. So, je mesure 1m80. Je pèse 62 kilos. Je suis assez mince. I am quite thin. Yeah? J'ai les cheveux bruns et j'ai les cheveux courts. Bruns et courts. Et j'ai les yeux bleus. Bleu-vert. That was it. If you have any question, don't hesitate. If you have any idea to describe yourself, don't hesitate to write it on the comments below and I will answer you as soon as possible. We see you. Ciao, ciao.